Aye, ganja is Marcus medicine, your mom. Oh, go on. Down in the valley, low and green, hope arise like morning sheen. Though the shadow try to stay, valley light a brighter day. Every seed a promise grow, valley teach the ones to know. Gentle breeze and a river song, valley keep them moving strong. Traveler weary, take a rest, valley give the soul its best. Fruit them ripen, flowers bloom, valley chase away the gloom. Children laugh and elders smile, valley healing all the while. No despair can linger long, valley sing the hopeful song. Oh, Babylon crumble on the hill, valley stand by Jaja will. Righteous gather, chant aloud, valley hold a holy crowd. Every prayer them send above, valley overflow with love. Roots grow strong, harvest near, valley dry away the tear. Even when the storm cloud rise, valley still a paradise. Shelter safe for rich and poor, valley open every door. Birds of Zion build a nest, valley give the people rest. Blessed ground, no fear, no fight, valley glow with holy light. Morning sun upon the plain, valley sing redemption strain. Evening star across the sky, valley chant will never die. Generation pass along, valley keep the faith so strong. Everlasting, deep and wide, valley hold your love inside. Grow, 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 seed of peace, valley blessing never cease. Shine, shine, bright and true, valley sing just song for you. Valley of hope so pure, so wide, lift the people side by side. Never fading, never gone, valley sing creation song. Forever living, bold and free, valley hold eternity. I am reggae. Aye. Deep the ocean, wide and blue, carry love from me to you. Wave of mercy, tide of peace, ocean bring just sweet release. Every drop of bond so strong, ocean sing a righteous song. Far horizons near and wide, ocean hold us side by side. Oh yeah. Fisherman upon the shore, hear the ocean's mighty roar. Not of war, not of strife, ocean gift the breath of life. Babylon ship may try to sail, ocean truth will still prevail. Every tide and every wave, ocean bless the ones that sail. Why, yeah. Children play upon the sand, ocean hold them Ocean shine with holy light. Carry voices, carry song. Ocean move the world along. Every current strong and pure. Ocean unity secure. Every heart it pull together. Ocean bond will last forever. Seashell echo, dolphins sing. Ocean glory crown the king. Waves them clap against the shore. Ocean chant forevermore. From creation till the end. Ocean stand as righteous friend. Eternal tide, forever free. Ocean of true unity. Flow, flow, mighty sea. Find the people, unity. Rise, rise, tide so strong. Ocean sing, Jah holy song. Ocean of unity, deep and true. Carry the people, me and you. Never ending, wide and free. Ocean bless humanity. Forever flowing, pure delight. Ocean shine with holy light. Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Look above the sky so clear. Deliverance drawing near. Cloud of mercy, light of grace. Sky reveal Jah shining face. Every star a guiding flame. Every dawn exalt His name. No more sorrow, no more chain. Sky of freedom shall remain. Prophet point to heaven high. See deliverance in the sky. Rainbow spread across the land. Sky reveal the holy plan. Babylon power start to shake. Sky declare what Jah will make. Every shadow fade away. Sky announce the brighter day. Birds of Zion soaring free. Sky of love for you and me. Every color, bold and wide. Sky of truth, them never hide. Trumpet sound, a mighty tone. Sky remind we not alone. Lift your eye, behold the sign. Sky of Zion, always shine. Storm may come with thunder loud. Still the sky, protect the crowd. Lightning strike the wicked down. Sky uplift Jah, holy crown. Rain may fall, yet seed will grow. Sky provide and overflow. Every season, time and tide. Sky of freedom, never hide. At the sunset, gold and red. Sky of hope still overhead. At the midnight, calm and deep. Sky of Zion, never sleep. Generations one by one. Sky deliver till it's done. Eternal vision, bold and clear. Sky of freedom, always near. Shine, shine, sky so high. Lift the spirit to the sky. Rise, rise, strong and true. Sky of Zion, guide me to. Sky of deliverance, pure and bright. Shining mercy, holy light. Never fading, never fall. Sky of freedom, bless us all. Forever glowing, bold and free. Sky of Zion, cover me. Aye, aye. Shaya reggae, yeah, man. Aye, aye. Shaya reggae, yeah, man. man of Zion. Brother is so high among. Flame of Zion burns so bright, guide the children through the night. It shine eternal, never low. Zion flame forever glow. No Babylon can quench the fire. Zion flame lift we higher. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion flame carry you. Zion flame strong and high, blazing glory in the sky. Every spark a holy name. Zion flame exalt your claim. It burn the wicked, cleanse the land. Zion flame by Jahan. It guard the humble, heal the meek. Zion flame all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion flame shining strong. It blaze the morning, blaze the night. Zion flame your light. Me see it blaze on Zion hill. Zion flame your will. It burn the chain, it burn the wall. Zion flame for all. Forever holy, strong and wide. Zion flame, holy tide. It guide the nation, guide the soul. Zion flame make we whole. Rise eternal, never fade. Zion flame Jamaica. No Babylon can dim the glow. Zion flame always show. Forever shining, pure and free. Zion flame destiny. It burn the darkness, burn the wrong. Zion flame just song. When the trumpet sound again, Zion flame still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion flame bring your peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion flame show your way. Eternal burning bright and long. Zion flame just song. Burn high, burn strong. Zion flame carry on. No chain, no storm can kill the fire. Zion flame lift higher. Zion flame strong and high, blazing glory in the sky. Every spark a holy name. Zion flame exalt your claim. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion flame still carry on. Ay, ay, ay. The Zion, Rasta man. We have Zion pure and bright, guide the children through the night. It shine eternal, never fall. Babylon can block the road. Zion where heavy load, forever holy, pure and true. Zion where carry you. Zion where clear and long, keep the people standing strong. Every step a holy flame. Zion way exalt his name. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Zion way all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion way shining strong. He bless the children, bless the man. Zion way Jah plan, forever glowing wide and free. Zion way destiny, me see it blazing morning sun. Zion way never done, it lead the nation, lead the youth. Zion way Jah truth, forever holy, strong and bright. Zion way Jah light, it Holy Spirit, Holy soul. Zion way make we whole, it shine eternal, never fade. Zion where Jah made, no Babylon can hide this sign. Zion way divine, forever blazing pure and long. Zion where Jah song, it guide the people, guide the land. Zion where Jah hand, when the trumpet sound again. Zion will still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion will bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion will show Jah way, eternal walking firm and strong. Zion will Jah song, walk high, walk free. Zion way for you and me, no chain, no wall can block the road. Zion way every load. Zion way clear and long, keep the people standing strong. Every step a holy flame. Zion way exalt his name, from age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion way still carry on. No ganja and Zion, yeah, man. Hear the drum beat in the night, ancestors keep the fire bright. Through the struggle, through the chain, flame of memory still remain. Whisper from the earth below, stories of the roots we know. Guiding hand from long before, flame still burning nevermore. Every elder chant a line, carved in stone eternal sign. Blood and sweat yet spirit strong, flame a guide the whole along. No oppression hold it down, flame of truth a shining crown. Generation pass it on, flame of ancestors never gone. When the storm a try to rise, flame still dancing in the eyes. Babylon a spread them lies, flame of wisdom never dies. Children born with spark inside, flame of courage never hide. Roots grow deep beneath the soil, flame reward the righteous toil. fall, still the flame unite them all. From the desert to the sea, flame of ancestors set we free. Sacred fire light the way, shining bright till break of day. Every spark a holy call, flame of Zion bless us all. Lift your hand and feel the heat, flame of past and future meet. Torch of love, eternal guide, flame of truth we never hide. When the darkness try to stay, flame of ancestors chase away. Forever glowing bold and pure, flame of Zion shall endure. Burn, burn, sacred fire, lift the people's spirit higher. Shine, shine bright and strong, flame of ancestors carry on. Flame of the ancestors burning high, like the people never die. Forever glowing bold and free, flame of truth for you and me. Eternal fire, righteous core, flame of ancestor, evermore. Zion Raga Rastaman, yeah man, yeah, brother. Oh, yeah, brother. Crown of Zion, shining gold, story of the truth it told. It blessed the humble, lift the meek. Zion crown all people seek. No Babylon can take away. Zion crown here fi stay. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion crown carry you. Zion crown, bright and tall, blessing given for one and all. Every jewel a holy flame, Zion crown exalt his name. It rests upon the Rasta head, Zion crown just spread. Forever shining, never fall, Zion crown for all. It guide the nation, bless the land, Zion crown by Jahan. Forever holy, wide and free, Zion crown destiny. Me see it glow in morning sun, Zion crown never done. It shine the Fire of Zion, cleanse from sin. No coal, no match, no earthly flame. This is Jah, eternal name. It light the heart, it guide the soul. Fire make the broken whole. No wicked plan can hide away. Fire of Jah, reveal the way. Fire of Zion, blazing strong. Burn the wrong and bless the song. From the root to heaven's high. Fire of Jah will never die. It burn the liar, burn the hate. Fire keep the righteous straight. It glow in temple, glow in land. Light of Jah in every hand. It cleanse the city, cleanse the field. Burn away what Babylon yield. Only truth remain to shine. Fire of Jah is so divine. It warm the children in the cold. It blaze the story prophets told. It dance upon the holy ground. Fire of Zion always found. It rise at night, it rise at day. Fire guide along the way. No storm, no dark can snuff it out. Fire of Jah remove all doubt. Me see it when me pray alone. Fire carve the heart of stone. It says stand firm, don't lose the fight. Hold the flame of Jah so bright. It bless the elder, bless the youth. Fire always burn for truth. Every spark a holy sign. Fire of Zion ever shine. When the final day arrive, fire of Jah keep love alive. It burn the chain, it burn the wall. Fire free the soul of all. From earth to sky, from night to morn. Fire of Zion ever born. Eternal blaze, eternal light. Fire of Jah forever bright. Burn high, burn free. Fire of Zion energy. No hate, no fear can quench the flame. Fire of Jah forever same. Fire of Zion blazing strong. Burn the wrong and bless the song. From the root to heaven's high. Fire of Jah will never die. From first spark to endless time. Fire of Zion ever shine. Shine with light, it glow with flame. Every gate called Jah
Nah, 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 Rastaman grind the ganja, yeah, man. Eh, eh. Under moonlight, I light my chalice high. Sacred smoke rising to Jah in the sky. In the hills where the silence speak loud, I and I walk barefoot, free from the crowd. No chain pon me soul, no fear in a heart. The ancient drum beat in Babylon falling apart. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. From sunrise to sunset, me spirit floats, guided by ancestors, the wisdom they wrote. Me not chase gold, me chase the peace. In a ganja haze, me soul release. Each breath sacred, each step divine. Me sip coconut water, me realign. No clock, no pressure, just natural time. Me heart beat in rhythm, me reason in rhyme. So me sing for the healer, sing for the tree, sing for the youth them who try to be free. This world full of noise, full of illusion, but Rasta stay centered in love's solution. No TV control, no digital chain, just irie breeze blowing through me brain. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. I see through the smoke, me vision stay true. Third eye open when me burn the bamboo. Babylon try test we, but we hold firm. Like the lion we raw with every term. We not beg system, we build our lane. Plant food, plant trees, heal the pain. The children of Jah, now bow or break. We rise with each breath that we take. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul gold. In this reggae journey, we never fall. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul gold. In this reggae journey, we never fall.
Zion reggae with ganja, yeah man. Me rise up early with the sun, chant a prayer before the day begun. Me hand in style, me mind at peace. Planting roots, feel love increase. Me herb garden lush and green. Sweetest scent you ever seen. Me pick a bud, me feel so free. Me give thanks for Jah remedy. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist. Every draw a sacred twist. Me no need no city life. Stress and hustle, war and strife. Me find me joy in leaf and land. In ganja smoke and jaja and me burn a split fi clear me sight. Me vision bright like starry night. Me hear the earth, she talk to me. Through every leaf, me spirit free. Me see the rain come wash the ground. Roots get strong, life come round. Each drop a blessing from above. Feed the herb, feed the love. Children laugh in morning dew, learning things them never knew. Me tell them grow it pure and clean. Jah keep your heart evergreen. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke grow like the morning mist. Every draw a sacred twist. Meditation time, on the stone me sit. Inhale the wisdom, exhale the wit. No rush life, me
Me slow the pace, me find your light in every space. Rasta not stray from Jah way. Me burn the chalice every day. Unity grow like the seed in a soil. Love is me harvest, peace me tile. Me share me bud with brethren true. We pass it round, good vibes renew. No judgment here, just open door. Me garden full but always more. Me teach the youth to plant and grow. Not just herb but art, you know. The land that teach a herb a guide. Just spirit always deep inside. In a one love herb garden. Me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun. We chant till the Babylon done.
Sound of Zion. Ganja blaze ya man. Me step out of me yard, the lion heart. Chalice in a hand, me ready for the start. Me nah walk alone, me trod with your light. In a darkness, me still shine bright. Me see youths with no hope, no plan. But me say, hold firm, you a strong man. System cold, but me soul stay warm. Me carry the storm in a rootsman farm. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, me stand for right. No retreat, we dep on mission. Sound of Zion, rootsman vision. Me nah dep on TikTok fame. Me dep on truth, me dep on name. Me chant for the youth where Babylon blind. Me chant for the ones who seeking sign. Me nah throw stone, me build foundation. Each lyric a healing meditation. From Kingston Street to Berlin Yard. One rhythm a beat and the message hard. Meditation rise with the smoke in the air. Lion road deep, no time for fear. Me dep on a hill with herb in a palm. Sound system roll, bring the calm. Drum and bass, connect me soul. Truth and love, that a me goal. Ital food and ancient chants. Me live simple, me not take chance. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, me stand for right. No retreat, we dep on mission. Sound of Zion, rootsman vision. Zion echoes, sound calling high. We not fake vibes, we reaching sky. Me not need crown, me need the truth. Me raise me voice for the innocent youth. Every verse is a seed me sow. Me now wait for system fi grow. Me bring freedom with every line. And blaze the herb fi clear the mind. So rise up, step on the ground. Let reggae music be your sound. We not fight with gun, we fight with vibe. We plant hope where evil hide. So come here now, chanting the light. Zion echoes bring the people in sight. And when the rhythm drop,
feel no fear. We treading strong, Jah love is near. Big spliff with coconut, your man. We step in a morning dew, barefoot on the land. We feel the heartbeat of the earth in a me hand. We carry no phone, we carry no chain, just a spliff, a drum, and a mind so plain. We walk through mist and mango trees. We chant ancient words, carried by breeze. Me nah in a rush, me in a flow. We reason with river and let wisdom grow. We meet an elder by a roots man gate. Him say youths take time, don't move with hate. Him light a chalice, pass it slow. Tell story about time when the vibes did glow. We listen close with a humble ear. Each word a jewel, each bar sincere. We partner straight, but it's always true. When you walk with Jah, you find what's due. Through the hills of Iration, me soul find salvation. In a breeze, in a smoke, we levitate. Me heartbeat in a natural state. No clock rule, me meditation. Just peace and good vibration. We chant with birds, we reason with sky. We live and love till the day me fly. In a valley me find a quiet spring. We sit and write songs for the most high king. No stage, no fame, just me and Jah. A coconut, a fire and the itala. We reflect on life, how Babylon rush, how them chase vanity and forget lush. But we know say simplicity a key to unlock joy and truly be free. We climb to the top of the sacred hill with chalice light and a silent will. We look down and see the world a spin. We give thanks that we live from within. Herbs grow wild and the rhythm plays slow. Drum echo in a valley, let the healing flow. We inhale truth and exhale fear. Rastafari speak, me ears them clear. Through the hills of Iration, me soul find salvation. In a breeze, in a smoke, me levitate. Me heartbeat in a natural state. No clock rule, me meditation. Just peace and good vibration. We chant with birds, we reason with sky. We live and love till the day me fly. We rise when sun a kiss the leaves. We greet me day with thankful griefs. Me no pain, me no joy, me no test. But Rasta teach me how to rest. No need for war, we need harmony.
Yeah, man, give me the paper, star sick. Oh, yo, yo. Oh, yo. Yeah, man. The fire burn, it never go out. Burning bright through the struggle and doubt. Lift up your heart, the journey begin. Jaja power, the fire within. Them try to break we, but we stand firm. Every trial is a lesson we learn. This system heavy, but this soul is free. Jaja spirit bring we victory. From the streets of Kingston to the African plain. The struggle the same, the love remain. The roots grow deep, the branches tall. One world, one people, rise above all. The fire within, it never go out. Burning bright the weapon, love are the key. Unlock the chain, set the captives free. The beat of the heart, the rhythm divine. Reggae at the bridge where the spirits align. Not fear the shadow, not fear the night. The star of Jah shine pure and bright. The fire of truth make the darkness fade. We keep on marching in the light Jah made. Oh, the fire ignite. Feel the power, feel the light. Oh, the message clear. Jah Jah love, Jah Jah near. The fire within, it never go out. Burning bright through the struggle and doubt. Lift up your heart, the journey begin. Jah Jah power, the fire within. So rise my people, now let them win. Jah Jah guide you through thick and thin. The fire a burn, it never fade. In the warmth of Jah we unafraid. Sailor!
Zion Raga Rastaman. Yeah man, yeah. Brother. Oh, yeah. Brother. Crown of Zion shining gold. Story of the truth it told. It blessed the humble, lift the meek. Zion crown all people seek. No Babylon can take away. Zion crown here fi stay. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion crown carry you. Zion crown, bright and tall. Blessing given for one and all. Every jewel, a holy flame. Zion crown exalt his name. It rests upon the Rasta head. Zion crown just spread. Forever shining, never fall. Zion crown for all. It guide the nation, bless the land. Zion crown by Jahan. Forever holy, wide and free. Zion crown destiny. Me see it glow in morning sun. Zion crown never done. It shine the way, it mark the path. Zion crown Jarat. forever holy, never gone. Zion song, shining strong. It bless the people, bless the land. Zion song, by Jahan, forever ringing wide and long. Zion song, Jah song. Me hear it blazing morning light. Zion song, Jah might. It lift the spirit, lift the soul. Zion song, make we whole. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion song, carry you. It guide the children, guide the way. Zion song, every day. It ring eternal, never fade. Zion song, Jah made. No Babylon can mute the sound. Zion song, all around. Forever glowing, pure and free. Zion song, destiny. It rise the people, rise the land. Zion song, Jahan. When the trumpet sound again, Zion song still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion song, bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion song, show Jah way. Eternal ringing strong and long. Zion song, Jah song. Sing high, sing strong. Zion song, carry on. No chain, no silence can stop the flame. Zion song, call Jah name. Zion song, loud and free. Echo through eternity. Every note a holy flame. Zion song, call Jah name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion song, still carry on. Na 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 Zion raga. From the hills me hear a call. Echo bounce from wall to wall. It tell the people stand up tall. Babylon rise but Babylon fall. Rivers sing and mountains sigh. Bird fly free across the sky. Every sound a prophecy. Zion whisper destiny. Zion echoes in a me ear, calling we fi trod with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer. Jah presence everywhere. We walk the path where ancients trod. Every step I praise to God. Stone and tree and stream agree. Nature speak in harmony. Wind carry word from far and near. Hold the faith, the time soon here. Zion voice in heart so strong. Guide me right when things go wrong. Children learn the chant from birth. Pass it round across the earth. It cure the mind, it heal the soul. Zion chant make people whole. Elders say it's more than song. It's the road we trod along. Echo ring in morning mist. Every beat a sacred twist. Echo high, echo low. Through the rain and through the snow. Carry hope, carry peace, till the Babylon system cease. Zion word now fade away, still a guide with to this day. When nightfall come, me still can hear voice of Zion loud and clear. It tell me rise, no time for sleep. Harvest soon from what you reap. Me close me eyes and sing along. Zion echo keep me strong. Zion echoes in me ear, calling me fi trod with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer. Jaja presence everywhere. Zion echoes in me ear, calling me fi trod with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer. Jaja presence everywhere. Jaja presence everywhere. Jaja presence everywhere. Upon the hill, so high, so tall, mountain of Zion stand for all. No storm can shake, no fire can burn. To judge you mountain me always turn. It call the soul, it lift the hand. Mountain strong for all the land. Every pilgrim walk the way. To Zion peak we kneel and pray. Mountain of Zion firm and sure. Stand eternal, ever pure. Guide the people, hold the line. Holy mountain, ever sign. It rise above the cloud and rain. It wash away the fear and pain. It glow with fire, glow with light. Mountain bless both day and night. It teach the tribe fi stand up strong. It sing the Naya Bingi song. From root to peak, from base to crown, mountain of Zion never down. It guard the elder, guide the youth. It speak the words of holy truth. It shine the sun, it cool the breeze. Mountain stand with Jah decrease. Every step me climb so high. Mountain lift me to the sky. No Babylon can pull me low. Mountain of Jah always show. Me sit up on the rocky place. See Jah glory, feel Jah grace. It chant the name for all to hear. Mountain whisper Jah is near. It call the humble, call the meek. Every soul the mountain seek. Strong foundation never fall. Mountain of Jah always show. When the trumpet sound again, mountain rise above all pain. Forever strong, forever true. Mountain bless me, bless you too. From morning sun to setting fire, mountain lift we ever higher. Holy Zion, holy ground, mountain echo Jah true sound. Climb high, climb strong, mountain of Zion a lifelong.